You want sunshine in the brain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If
welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be explaining my giveaway, doing a makeup video, showing you how to put on lashes and all of that. And yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with others, the dog down the street, and all of that other good stuff. But by the way, I'm not bald head. I got a little bun or whatever. But I love you guys, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright. Yo, today is gonna be, well, I already told you it was gonna be an intro, but I'm just gonna start off with a 3502 just to get some color in my transition or whatever. Today I'm gonna actually use the names of the shades or whatever, so I could let y'all know what's up. I already started off by setting my eyes with my powder and my concealer, and I already did my eyebrows off camera. So, I'm going to be using my 3502, and I'm going to be using Toast and So Warm. So I'm going to mix these two together as my transition. Tap that off, get it. Y'all, so let's just talk. So, as y'all know, I'm a cheerleader or whatever, and I got a competition Saturday, so I'm really bucked about that, and I'm really happy. And oh, and I got a really good juicy story. Well, it's not really that good. It's kind of good to me because it's like something that's like kind of strange that happened in my life. But I gotta wait till I link up with my baby again, Maurice. And we're going to tell y'all that story time that happened yesterday. It's kind of crazy. But, so, my life has been really good. So, I've been trying to do this 100 subscriber giveaway, but somehow I can't get to 100 subscribers. And, like, I'm just waiting so I could do the giveaway or whatever. Hopefully, I was hoping that doing the giveaway was going to cause me to get a little bit few more subscribers so I could just get a little bit known out there, you know. But apparently that's not the case. So I'm just gonna tell you about the giveaway right now. Hopefully with this video getting me to 100 subscribers. So the giveaway is gonna be 100 subscribers. It's like a little milestone type of thing or whatever. So since I win something as my 100 subscribers, I want y'all to win something. So as I was thinking about the prizes for the giveaway, I was like, okay, well, I want to do just a gift card, but I was like, no, that's basic. Don't nobody just want no gift card. So I want to do it gender specific. So for the boys, if a boy decides to win, because you know I have both boys and girl subscribers. So I decided that if a boy wins, you know, boys like all their Nike and Xbox and all that type of stuff, they get a Nike drawstring bag. That's one of those little square bags with little strings on the side. They get one of those with a I think a $20 PlayStation or Xbox gift card. But it depends on the person though, because a lot of boys were like, okay, well, what if I want, well, one boy, Marcos, was like, what if I want a PC or HP, like a computer gift card? I was like, all right. I mean, it's not specifically what I say it's going to be, so I'm going to talk with the winner about that, about what they specifically want, because they might want a specific like game station card or whatever. So I'm going to talk with the winner about that. But I mean, I can't have a winner if I don't get to 100. So I'm just waiting for that. And if a girl wins, since you know I'm a makeup kind of channel a little bit more, a girl will win a $20 Sephora gift card. That's that good stuff. A $20 Sephora gift card and a and 2 face masks. So I think that's pretty good. And I might throw in a pair of lashes depending on how I'm feeling. You dig? So I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette just to use some of these greens in here. They don't have names, so don't, you know, expect a name. I'm going to take the darkest green they got in here, and I'm just going to blend that in to where I already had the thing. And if you're wondering why I use the same brush all the time, I kind of helped a little bit with something like that, and I got a brush cleaner, and basically it's like this mesh material. It's kind of dirty right now. Well, I'm going to put it on the clean side. And basically you just take the brush and swirl it around in there, and it takes the color off. As you can see, it's still green from when I did parade makeup. This is so filthy because it's been on like literally 13 faces. But I don't care. So I'm taking that green, literally putting it exactly where I had it at. Alright. And so, back to the giveaway situation. I really wanted to like do it and, you know, make it kind of big for everybody, but y'all be acting like y'all can't hit the subscribe button. And I only got and shout out to Tamia, girl. Shout out to Tamia. That's a friend of mine's little sister. That's really my dude. This girl watches all of my videos. She comments on almost all of them, and she's a really good subscriber. So shout out to you, because you're a real MVP. Like, you watch all my videos, you pay attention to what I'm saying, you actually comment asking questions when I ask, and she gives me feedback or whatever on things she might like, might not like, and stuff like that. And so I just wanted to give her a shout out because she's like really a good subscriber. Hopefully you guys will get to be that amazing in the future. Alright, so I'm just packing that green on there. I'm actually going to use a denser brush to pack it because ain't nothing really happening. So I'm going to use this flatter, dense brush. I'm just going to pack some of this shadow onto the lid. Keep in mind I got cheer practice after this. Hopefully it don't get on nobody. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying out the looks that I want to do for competition coming up Saturday. Because I don't want to just go in there empty-minded and not knowing what to do. So I think this will be a good, quick, simple look for everybody. And I'm going to add some gold into it. You dig? I'm just going to take this little random fluffy brush and blend that into that brown transition. So we're going to put on some music, y'all. This is my dude. Y'all, I love him so much, dude. As I ride through the city lights, I wonder who can ride for me when it goes down. Look at that blending. That I'm not around. I hope you love me as much as I love you. Nothing in the world, baby, I would do for you. I'm just trying to get as much green as I can on there. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this song being on. I ain't said a thing, baby. I've been having this shirt since I was 5. Show y'all. Oh, I look so bony. Oh my god, look at my little arms. Oh my god. Oh, look at my little elbows. Comment songs. Alright, I want you guys, this is for my true subscribers. If you really paying attention and listening to this video, you will hear this. If you're listening, comment down below a song that I should use for my next intro, because I don't want to keep the same intro forever like a lot of YouTubers do. I like to make one at least maybe once a month or whatever. And y'all know my birthday coming up on the 26th, so birthday vlog is coming soon, you dig? So comment a song down below that I should do for my next intro. And if you do that, I might just pick your song. So, back to the music. Alright. I'm actually going to put some under my bra bone real quick. I ain't had a thing, baby. It ain't been the same, baby. And you already know Primavera, the gold shape. Your voice ain't messed up, baby. I love you. Ooh, my report card came, y'all. Alright, so now I got that blinding color underneath my brow. Just gonna take this random brush and blend it out. I ain't had a thing, baby. Chain, baby. Alright, I'm back. So now I'm about to, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to bring it across. She's my rock, rock, she's my rock, Okay. I know what I'm doing now, guys. Alright, I got it. So I'm just gonna bring it across halfway. Oh, damn it. It transferred. Sorry, language. Where I put my brushes? Oh. Yo, this good. Oh my god. This is so messed up, dude. Here come Crystal, y'all. Ma, I'm making a video. Ma, I'm making a video. Oh my god, it's literally everywhere. Oh my god, it's everywhere. This probably messed up now. Oh my god, look. It's 2 freaking lines, dude. I'll be back when I fix it. Alright, so I somewhat fixed it. Alright. Find my eyeliner. Just put a little bit of that on. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, all of these ads are blowing me. I don't want to listen to this. Alright, y'all. This that new hot stuff.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes I don't. I finesse down Western Road. Might go down to G.O.D.
Oh my god, dude, here come this cat.
I make sure that no side. And still,
God, oh.
bad things.
It's a lot of bad things that they
They
wish.
wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Bad things.
Alright,
It's a lot of bad things that they wish.
I'm about to come back once I finish my other eyeliner and I'm gonna show y'all how to put on the lashes. Alright, I'm back. I'm taking these lashes I got and I'm about to put them on. I already put the mascara on. I'm about to put my glue on. You're so precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Is that all music talks about these days? Is sex. Eyes. Know you're mine. Hands on your body. Time. I'm gonna move y'all in closer. I'm about to get so many copyright things. All right. I need to fix this eyeliner. I need to fix this eyeliner, then put my other lashes on, and I'll be back once I put my foundation on and all that. Hey guys. I really need to get another highlighter because this one is not giving me the glow I want. Don't mind the foundation on this brush. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys really like it. And try this look, you know. Don't forget to get me to that 100 subscribers so we could do that giveaway. And that's it for this video, guys.